By my house. I'm trying to see if I can get down to this little creek thing. This is where I was going to film my first nature sesh. Ooh. Should be good. There's some trees that fell. The East Coast just got fucking pounded. And it's going to be so muddy when I get down here. But I got my new boots on. And I got these new boots for $5 at a thrift store, so like I'm not mad if they get a little muddy. Okay, so I tried to find a place where I could like set my phone down and like just sit and film, but it's not really that kind of place. Nothing's really like high up enough. But I'm gonna show you my little secret spot. But I'm gonna light this first. Cheers. So this is kind of just the gist. I'm gonna get some real footage. It's absolutely beautiful here. How we found this place, because I live not far from here. I live that way. I want to say I live that way. Yeah, I'm like not far, but we come here all the time, or we used to. Like in the summer we'd be here like once a week before we had like a house to hang out at, because this is like where we would smoke, because like we all lived with our parents, so like everyone kind of just kind of dicked around and smoked here. But yeah, so we would walk around. There was a different little creek spot, and then one day I was walking and I found this little trail, and I was like, I'm gonna come here. And every time I come here, I've seen a few people here, but not many. So this park is huge. I think it's 600 acres. So there's like a lot to it. I like can't balance. This rock that I'm standing on is like slanted. It's like a Kanye West concert. So I don't know why I thought coming by water would be a good idea, because I have to pee so bad. I really wish I had like a phone tripod so I could sit and just like put my phone down. But oh, that sun. Oh yes. So how's everyone's day? Oh nope, can't do it like that because my phone's broken. How's everyone's day? How's everyone week doing on the weed tube? How's the weather where everyone is? Because where I live on the East Coast. We just got pounded by a nor'easter like 3 days ago, and now it looks like this. You always see those memes where it's like whatever state you're in. My friend's from Vegas, and she shared one. She was like, oh, it was like you can't have all 4 seasons in 1 week, and Vegas is like hold my beer. But like there's places like with my state like that, or memes with my state on there too, because like my state does the same thing. But it's really just like climate change. You know? Alright, so I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna smoke this blunt. because it's starting to get a little tiny. Thank you. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I did. I certainly did. I had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out all my other videos here on the YouTube. Check out my Instagram, my Twitter. My YouTube channel should also be down below. Yeah, check it out. Cheers.